doing? Welcome back. It was a shocker for me for a minute. My son just came in and apparently had eaten some peppers as a dare for $40, and everything is draining out of him in this moment. Anyway, welcome. If you are new, welcome back. If you are tuning in for this series, welcome to LaMeel Magic. I am LaMeel, Priestess LaMeel, that is, of LaMeel.com, and I teach on magic, manifesting, spirituality, and high vibrational living. So this is day 19 in our series on how to ignite your intuition. And no, it's not. It's the last day. It's day 20. Yesterday was hindsight is 2020. So today is day 20, and it is about shaking hands, which may sound crazy to you. All of this may sound crazy to you. I feel like I say that for every video because these practices and these little rituals are so unique. And by the way, if you decide, if you've had a great time, if you are loving this, you love my content, please feel free to buy me a coffee because I love that energy exchange. You can also join the coffee chat where I get up close and personal and talk about magic and manifesting and spirituality. As a mother, as a significant other, in my relationships and in my personal life. And I also offer some amazing courses over on LaMeel.com, including group coaching and some really kick-ass programs that you can get into, like Boss Bitch and the Goddess Ascension Academy. So what is the shaking hands? Today being our last day, what I want you to do is a little bit of a visualization process. And this is probably going to be more than 5 minutes, but it's the last day, so I'm cheating. This is about you really collaborating, coming together with your intuition, your intuitive self, your higher self, and agreeing to work together. This is about you agreeing to work in tangent with your higher self to receive these intuitive messages as you move forward and out of this. Now, mind you, you can go back and you can watch this over and over again. You can do all the videos all over again for another 20 days and probably be very interesting in comparing your journal notes, right? But ultimately, what I want you to do is to sit in quiet and get still-minded and really go within and say to yourself, you know, that you are agreeing to do this. See yourself as you, see your intuition as a superhero, a goddess, energy, a being, an animal, however you envision your intuitive self, higher self to appear to you. And imagine that you all are together in the same space and you are communicating. And in that communication, come to an agreement that you will always be open to receiving their guidance, their messages, and that you are going to use that for the betterment of your life. And shake hands. And that's it. We're done. And I am so proud of you for sticking it through, for watching all 20 videos, for doing the work, for doing the journaling, for showing up for these videos day after day during a time. Now, I'm recording this during a time when we are still in the corona pandemic, right? And at this point, I live in a place where we don't have time restrictions, but I have friends that have a time restriction to be off the street. I have family that are in locked down cities where you can't get in or out. I am very, very blessed to be able to move about and to do almost all of my regular activities, with the exception that some of the stores that I do shop at, I love to visit, are actually closed because they were mandated to close. But Amazon is always open. So my lifestyle personally has not been negatively affected. A lot of things that I wanted to manifest during this time came through very effortlessly as a result of this virus pandemic situation. So, you know, I'm always counting my wins. I'm always looking to what's working, and I have a true, unwavering belief that everything always works out for me. Everything is always working for my higher good, and I always get what I want or something even better. And so I hope that by you connecting with your intuition, that those beliefs become part of your belief system as well, and that your life just gets better and better and better. And I invite you to come to my site, to communicate with me on any of my social media platforms. I would love to work with you. Love to have your energy in our circle. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.